们研发部。
This way. Now we will see the R&D department.
这个就是我们材料的一个检测设备的仪器。
These all our machines for testing the materials, incoming materials.
这一台就是我们的感光鼓尺寸表面标重量及它的外性能。
This is tester for testing the OPC.
这表面测速层的配置，这个是充电表面电子测试仪。
This is the PCR electricity resistance tester.
这个是刮刀切口的一个检测。
This is the tester for testing the WB and DR nick, the blade.
这个是我们测试数据的一个整理的一个存放区。
This is a cabinet for placing all kinds of testing reports. You can see that it has the HP, Samsung, and Brother, Konica Minolta, Severus, many brands we have testing and put the report here.
好，谢谢。这里是我们的一个测试现场。那么这个小组是主要负责新产品的一个开发部分。
This all our engineers, and this line is mainly part for the new product, the first product, and also testing the incoming materials. 这边是正在进行原材料的定量检验的测试。Now this is doing the testing for the incoming materials for the whole cycle life for the toners. You can see that and also you can see the report. This is a report for the toners for testing the whole cycle, and you can see that they have the report for the pages, the temperature, and the humidity, and also the performance for the toners, why they print 5% and also 10%. You can see the consumption for the toner powder.
好，谢谢。
Okay.
这边尝试。这边是我们的一些设备的一个测试设备的。
You can see that this is the place for all kinds of sample printers. Once we have the orders from the customers, we will take the models according to the customers, according to what they need. There are many kinds of printers.
好，我们看一下我们尝试的情况。
So now we're going to see the color line.
这是尝试的一些测试的标准印稿。
See some standard samples for the color models for HP. Yeah, this is testing.
这是产测的说明测试页，这是我们产测的一些测试的标准文档。
See some standard samples for the color testing. You can see the pictures. The color is very colorful. This way. They are all doing the testing. They are all doing the recording. So let's have a look about this machine, this big machine.
高低温环境测试枪是模拟这种产品第三个环境上面的一个测试的一个设备。
This is the machine for testing the temperature and humidity. We need to have strict requirements for the temperature and also the humidity, because you know that some countries they have a high requirement for the temperature, also the humidity. So now we can make sure they can get the proper toners. You can see this. Inside is very cold. So now our R&D department is finished. So let's see the project department. This way.